Johnny Depp, the American actor, producer, and musician, has been in a very interesting situation for the last months because of his ex-wife, Amber Heard, all the rumors and lies that have been said about him. First, let's talk about the court's decision on the ACLU. Johnny Depp asked the court to order the ACLU to show proof that Amber Heard donated her divorce settlement. Johnny Depp continued to claim that Amber Heard hasn't donated the $7 million divorce settlement, which her lawyers say she pledged over 10 years. Johnny Depp has sued the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, to force a nonprofit organization to reveal whether Amber Heard made the donations. Heard previously pledged to donate her $7 million divorce settlement to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital Los Angeles shortly after her and Depp's divorce was finalized. According to the court papers, filed by Depp and his lawyers in New York and obtained by People, they have been asking both organizations to share how much Heard has donated. In the court papers, Depp, 57, respectfully requested that this court enter an order directing the ACLU witnesses to fully comply with the subpoenas. Johnny Depp has notched a victory in his lengthy legal battle against ex-Amber Heard. A New York judge has partially granted a petition from the Pirates of the Caribbean star to determine if Heard donated the entirety of her $7 million divorce settlement to the American Civil Liberties Union and to Children's Hospital Los Angeles as she pledged. As a result of the ruling, the ACLU must release documents that confirm whether Heard followed through on the donation promise or not, which has become a point of contention in the former couple's legal saga. Mr. Depp is most gratified by the court's decision, Depp's attorney, Benjamin Chew, said in a statement to USA Today. Per The Guardian, in written submissions to the court, Depp's lawyer Andrew Caldecott wrote that when Heard claimed she would donate all $7 million in the 2016 settlement from the divorce to two organizations, the American Civil Liberties Union and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, she lied, and that the lie is a potentially subliminal message to the judge in the case. He added that the claim strengthened Heard's credit in an exceptional way, yet it was a calculated and manipulative lie designed to achieve a potent, favorable impression from the outset. He told the court that, per documents that were released post-trial, she only donated $100,000, not the $3.5 million which we say the court was led to believe was the true position. Likewise, the ACLU received $350,000, followed by $100,000 later. Caldecott, Depp's lawyer, cited the line from Justice Nicole's judgment that read, "Her donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger. Obviously, in the context of this case, it implies revulsion at the way he has treated her physically," Caldecott said. According to page 6, sources close to Depp put it this way: the judge thought she was this wonderful human being standing up for mankind because of her supposed generosity, but she was lying out of her ass. Sasha Waz countered Caldecott's claims by maintaining Heard was still a victim of serious domestic violence, regardless of any alleged admission to assaulting Depp. The position if the judge had found, because Mr. Depp's case was that she hit me more than once, she was feisty and has slapped Mr. Depp as she admitted on the tape, that does not disqualify her from being a victim of serious domestic violence, Waz said. They also argued that whether she was a gold digger was immaterial to the case. One can be a gold digger and get assaulted by one spouse at the same time. NGN's lawyers said that, regardless, their words were true and Heard never lied about the gift. The ACLU understood that Heard had pledged to pay over 10 years, they claimed, calling the gold digger thesis misogynistic trope. The case and all of this mess has been around what Amber has said and the information she has brought to the table. However, this new action by Depp and his legal team has helped turn the page and start to see the version of the actor in a more objective way and with more attention. However, with Amber Heard not donating this amount, this action has been controversial and questionable. As described in the restraining order and divorce settlement, money played no role for me personally and never has, except to the extent that I could donate it to charity and, in doing so, hopefully help those less able to defend themselves, Heard said in a statement obtained by Time. I know these organizations will put the funds to good use and look forward to continuing to support them in the future. She added, hopefully, this experience results in a positive change in the lives of people who need it the most, the actor said. In addition to the lies that Johnny Depp assures his ex-wife has told, the actor says new police testimony and never-before-seen body cam footage proves Amber Heard is lying about the blowout fight that ended their toxic 18th-month marriage. Heard and her allies have given evidence in multiple legal cases saying Depp hurled a phone at her face and trashed their penthouse kitchen during the notorious May 2016 dust-up. But the actor's lawyers claim the lurid depictions of damage, including broken candelabras, glass thrown on the floor, and red wine sloshed on the walls and carpets, are completely at odds with what police remember. 4 different LAPD officers visited the stylish, loft-style apartment in downtown Los Angeles within the space of 2 hours after Heard's pals mistakenly dialed 911 twice. The first 2 cops have given new depositions within the past month, reiterating that they swept the $1.5 million property but didn't see any injuries, vandalism, or evidence of a crime. DailyMail.com can also reveal for the first time footage from a second set of responding officers who had cameras on as they entered Heard and Depp's former marital home later that night. Depp's attorney, Adam Waldman, says the footage proves there was never any wrecking spree and that Heard's account of the evidence cannot be trusted. Amber Heard and her friends described a chaotic, messy crime scene, but the newly released LAPD body cam videos unambiguously show that the penthouse was utterly undamaged and that their testimony was one more grandiose lie, Waldman told DailyMail.com in a statement. Johnny Depp's team and the actor himself have been doing everything possible to disprove his ex-wife. In addition, fans have also commented that the actor has been treated unfairly by the media and by other Hollywood stars, so they have tried to contribute in their own way and possibilities. As proof of this is a petition they made on Change.org to remove the actress from her iconic role in Aquaman and had almost 2 million signatures, which shows us how important the voice of fans and people who admire Johnny is. With all this pressure, producer Peter Safran was asked whether the social media campaign by Johnny Depp fans for Amber Heard's removal from the DC sequel ever had any influence on the production and their casting decisions, at what he responded, "I don't think we're ever going to react to, honestly, pure fan pressure," said Safran. "You gotta do what's best for the movie. We felt that if it's James Wan and Jason Momoa, it should be Amber Heard." That's really what it was. One is not unaware of what is going on in the Twitterverse, but that doesn't mean you have to react to it or take it as gospel or accede to their wishes. You have to do what's right for the film, and that's really where we landed on it. In the end, Depp is hoping to have the situation in his favor, and although Amber has been shown to have been lying many times, there are still people who defend her first and foremost. As always, we want to know your opinion. Do you really think Amber will donate that money? Why do you think she has not done it as she has said in the past? And finally, are you Team Amber or Team Johnny? Don't forget to leave us your opinion in the comments below, and remember to follow us for more videos like this one.